Breaded baked aubergine with mozzarella and tomatoes. Welcome to Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. 2 medium aubergines. Cut each aubergine into 5 slices. Two medium tomatoes, cut 10 slices. Dip one side of your aubergine into the eggs and then into the breadcrumbs and place onto the oven tray. Repeat this 5 times. Place the sliced tomatoes onto the aubergines. Sprinkle desired amount of salt onto your tomatoes. Drizzle some olive oil. Sprinkle some oregano. If you like chili, sprinkle some chili flakes. Slice enough mozzarella to place onto your tomatoes. Now dip one side of your aubergine into eggs, then to breadcrumbs and place on top of the mozzarellas. Drizzle some olive oil onto your aubergines and bake at 200 degrees for 40 minutes. Breaded oven baked aubergines with mozzarella and tomato. If you enjoyed watching my video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.